Well, hey guys, I just wanted to give you a little follow-up on what I've got done here. Like I said, I showed you the beginning of the last video. Finally got my millings, got started on it, and as you've seen so far in this video, I've been working on my driveway. Well, I've got most of it laid. I've got my driveway done, and I'll turn you around. You can see up my driveway. I pretty much got all of the all I'm gonna do to it. Millings put on it. So now we're working on the actual camper, the pad itself for the camper. And one thing about these asphalt millings, if they sit here too long, you get down to the bottom of them, they start turning back into asphalt, because it's been real hard getting them dug back up, smooth out. Kind of show you what I got going on so far. That's what I've got done so far. Like I said, I'm going to put my camper will park right here, and so I've got to level all this out, and then I'm gonna have a building or another shed kind of put over here to the side, so that's where it's gonna go. So I'm just gonna let you kind of see what's going on. I'll film a little bit of this, and after we get done, I'll show you the final what it looks like after I get done with it. Well, I finally got my area finished for the camper. Got it all leveled out. Got it on about a 1 inch grade down slope. Give it some water drainage. I figure 1 inch is not going to matter a lot. This is what it looks like for right now. I've got it made for my camper to park, and then for another vehicle if I want to park my patrol car or something right there. And that's about what it looks like right now. So stick with me, and We're gonna be pulling the camper over here in a little bit, seeing how it levels up, see if this stuff is, how long it's gonna take for it to set up and kind of harden up. May have to drove over it for a little bit with the tractor back and forth trying to pack it down. So let's see, hang around and see when we get the camper out there and see what the final looks like. Well, we got it all finished now, and I think I got it pretty level, got it good. We're gonna try, go ahead and put the RV, put the camper back where I built for it. Already got it hooked up. So now let's just turn this thing around and back it in there and see what it comes up with. well, it's in here. So let's see how we look on leveling. And I know this ain't the best place to level, but I always check it on the bumper, on the back bumper, to make sure. Not too bad. About an inch off. That won't be too bad. My leveler should take care of that, so we'll see. I got a board I can put under it. It may raise it up too much, but we'll see how that there does. All right, well, I put it up on that piece of wood on this side for right now, and let's take a look and see what it says. Yep. That's all it needed. Perfectly level according to the bumper. So we'll shut the truck down, we'll go inside and we'll check some measurements inside. All right, let's go inside and see what we look like. We'll look on the counter. Yep, showing zeroed out. Perfectly level. All right, so we'll finish getting this thing unhooked and set up, and we'll let you know when we get done. All right, guys, well, there it is. We got it all set up, got the slides out. Perfectly level. Only thing is, I just had to put that board under there, but till I can get back and really get to work on it and pack it down and get it set up, I mean, get it leveled out, I believe it'll work. We got the power on it right now. Got plugged back into 30 amp where I can at least run one air conditioner. My wife's in there cleaning out the starting to clean it up, getting ready. We'll be bringing you a trip, getting ready here in about 2 weeks to go to Disney for Halloween. So we're getting everything set up now. Hope to be shooting out a short video here before too long, kind of giving you a little bit about ourselves, if I haven't already put it out before this video. So but till next time, appreciate you stopping in. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Hit that subscribe button below, share it with your friends, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the camper, the parking spot here. Anything else I could have done different. I'm learning as I go, so appreciate it. And y'all come back, visit with us again. Remember, we'll be going to Disney here in a couple of weeks. We'll do some videos on that. So until next time, like I always like to say, life's too short. Get out there, have your own adventure, make you some memories.